And it doesn't matter if we're at our beach or on our streets. It's prevalent everywhere.
It's everywhere, in our waters, on our land, in our animals, and in us. But what is this thing that's everywhere? I'm Payton Zolck, and in this episode of Living with Mother Earth, we're talking about the plastic problem.
So the problem, plastic is forever. We're being sold plastic in every aspect of our life, and we're being sold lots of products that are obsolete. And the thing about plastic is that it's toxic, and it's toxic in every step of the way. So from its origin, which is all made of oil. So when they extract the oil, they pull out the oil from the earth, and they emit all these toxic chemicals, and that cause methanes and carbon dioxide, which causes global warming. Then they ship the oil to places to become plastic, to become manufactured, creating more pollution and more toxins going into the atmosphere, creating global warming. Then they make the plastic, ship it to manufacturers, make the product, ship it to us. We drive to get it, or we have it shipped to us, creating more and more methane and carbon dioxide released. Then, once we have the plastic is pretty much forever. It doesn't biodegrade and turn into soil. It photodegrades and breaks into smaller and smaller pieces. So the thing about plastic is that it's in the environment, it's on our streets, it's on our beaches, it's in our ocean, it's in our rivers and creeks, and now it's being ingested by us, ingested by wildlife. It can entangle wildlife, it can fill them up. It's going up the food chain from the primary food sources that are digesting it, and then other bigger animals are eating it. So it's going up the food chain and coming back to us. We're trying to raise awareness by getting people experiences, by giving them experiential learning of going outside their door and picking up the litter on their street, or going to the beach, picking up litter there. Engaging as many people as possible to do this so that they can learn about it, that they can recognize how dangerous it is, how damaging it is, and how prevalent it is.
Looking at this problem, it may seem very big and daunting, but there are a lot of little things that you can do to help. One thing is picking up litter around your neighborhood and local beaches. You can track the amount of litter you pick up using apps such as the Clean Swell app.
Pay attention to the waste that you have. Maybe do a waste audit. Look at the waste that you have in your garbage bag, and look to see how much is plastic, and if there's any way to change the amount of plastic over time. Look for things that you don't need and eliminate them. Also recognize how many things you can't really change, like a candy wrapper or a food wrapper, and it's all in plastic. Choose different products other than plastic. Encourage people to use their voice, whether it's by buying a different product, or whether it's by calling their state senator or their federal senator, the senator and the Congress people, to let them know that this is an issue that is really important to the planet. It's really important to us, and get them to use their voice and to make legislation to change the options we have. Take action. Share what you learn with others. Inspire your friends. Inspire your family.
Reporting for Scott Center News, I'm Payton Zolck. Keep checking Scott Center for more episodes to come.